Okay, so now that we've listened to and or read the miser, okay, we're going to annotate and highlight and make comments because our comments are going to be as if we were writing on the side of our page. That being said, I'm going to do the first 3 paragraphs and you are going to do the rest. Okay, so we're going to look for characters, setting, and conflict, and we're going to make comments as we go. So what you need to make sure you've already done is downloaded this so that you have it, so that you can write on it and you can annotate because you will send it back to me. All right, so our annotation button, remember, is our highlighter. To do comments, we go up to insert and add comments. Now, we need to be clicked on what we want to make a comment on or else it will just make comments everywhere. So I'm going to start. A wealthy but stingy man lived in a big city many long years ago. Okay, well, that's who our main character is in our setting. Okay, so we're going to annotate that. He rarely spent money, and certainly not on others. Whoop, back button, just kidding. There we go. So he rarely spent money, and certainly not on others. He wanted to hold on to his wealth at all costs. He was so miserly, so stingy, that he had no friends. He believed that time, like money, was far too valuable to waste on others. In truth, he was lonely, he was unhappy, and deep in his heart, which was cold and hard like a stone, he wanted to change. Okay, so we just learned a lot about this old man. We're going to insert some comments. So up here, I'm going to click so that I'm up here. Our main character is a stingy, okay, miserly, old man. Our setting is a big city many long years ago. He never spent money on others. He was so miserly that he had no friends. So we're going to add a new comment. He has no friends, doesn't want to waste time or money on others. That's rude. I think that's rude. But he was also lonely and unhappy and wants to change. So he's lonely and wants to change. Okay, so this is our conflict. Okay, he wants to change his ways. So we're going to see if we can do that throughout our text. We're going to go back up to our home page, go back to our annotation tool. One day, a poor family moved into the man's neighborhood, and he decides to befriend them. He wants to become friends with them. He wants to give them a gift, but he's not sure he's ever given a gift. I don't want that highlighted. There we go. So if I'm up here, this is important. I know it's a lot of back and forth, but this is what we have to do when we're online. Okay, so new characters. A poor family moves to town. All right, he wants to become friends. So he decides he's going to get them a gift. Gift giving. Not a clue what to do. I think this is odd. I like giving gifts. I mean, I don't know who doesn't like getting gifts. I like getting gifts, so I like to give gifts. So I think it's odd that somebody wouldn't want to do that. All right, so going back home, going back to my annotation tool. While the miser thought about his dilemma, okay, a dilemma is a problem, he decides to go and visit the family. Okay, that's pretty sweet. So he's deciding to visit the family, and on that visit, he found that the family had 3 little girls. Upon seeing the girls, the man's cold heart started to melt. Oh, just a little. He bent down and asked what they each would like. Okay, but this is important. Man has feelings. He's not a mean person. All right, so our 3 little girls, they're new characters. Okay, it melts his heart. Oh, I love it. Okay, so now our dilemma, our problem, our conflict is, can the miser change his ways and get the girls all gifts. And that's what you're annotating for, okay? You're going to go through and annotate for his actions and how the girls feel and how he feels. You're going to make comments as you go. Now, you don't necessarily need this many comments, but for anything you annotate, okay, you're going to make a comment on the side. So you're annotating for what the miser does, if he's fixing the problem, okay, if he's making an attempt to change, where he's not making a change, and how the girls feel afterwards. When you are finished, you are going to save it and upload it and send it to me.